let's show off and talk about this NATO classified pistola right here. But of course, after the intro. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the Czech Republic, I bring to you the CZ75 P-01, originally designed for law enforcement and military use. Hell, it even got the lanyard ring thingamajig thing right here, so the shit don't get lost or fall down in pursuit or in combat, etc, etc. This bad boy is a 9mm, double action and single action. It has a decocker. The piece is super ergonomic, it just feels right in your hand. Almost like it molds or melts into your body, becoming one with you. Samurai type of business, you feel me? Has an aluminum frame. Even though it's bigger than its fellow competitors, it is still considered a compact firearm. The forged alloy frame cuts the weight down, making it light and a favorite to conceal carry or show carry, however you please. It only weighs 28.1 ounces. Now here's what's dope about this piece, in my opinion. The first time you fire this firearm, the trigger pull is slightly heavier than its follow-up shots. The follow-up shots will be lighter and crispier in single action. The heavy first shot design's purpose is for safety. I mean, think about it. It's like the gun asking you, hey, are you sure you want to let this off? Are you sure you want to get things moving? Are you sure you want things to go this way? Big boy, big girl, you better think about it. And when I say it's a bit heavier or resistant or whatever, I don't mean it's impossible to shoot or you gotta put some muscle into it. Nah, it's just enough to where you gonna notice it. This CZ P-01 model was the first model the company got to create with their new technology at their factory. P-01 and P-06 components are interchangeable. There's an awesome rail on this firearm for damn near any lights you wanna throw on this bad boy. Now here's the second thing that makes this piece dope. The US Army firing test requires handguns in the 9mm class to fire at minimum 495 rounds before any kind of failures. This firearm averaged only 7 fails per 15,000 rounds fired. Can you believe that? 7 fails per 15,000 rounds fired. On their website, they did the math. That's a 0.05% failure rate. Oh shit. Talk about reliability. So now it's in the wild, the public's hands. Now, CZ classifies the purpose of this firearm as a home defense piece. But man, this is definitely okay as an EDC, baby. Simply for the fact it's reliable, compact, light, double action, and single action with a decocker, and holds 15 rounds in a double stack design magazine. What more of an awesome EDC are you asking for? Are you wanting? Do you need? And I mentioned how ergonomic it is. It just feels awesome in the hand. Anyway, barrel length is 3.75 inches, 7.2 inches overall length, 1.38 inches width. Comes with many different grip selections. There's a whole bunch out there in the market, aftermarket of course, and some from the CZ company. The curves and the angles make damn near any hand size fit and wrap around perfectly. There's a safety stop on the hammer and a firing pin block. CZ not only made a dominating firearm, they also kept comfort and safety in mind. And to me, that makes this firearm amazing. And if you're wondering why I keep on saying CZ instead of the name all said out and everything, it's simply because I do not speak Bohemian or Czech, whatever that is. But I'll give it a try. Hopefully I don't butcher it too bad. Czechska Zbrojovska. It means Czech armory. Anyway, so is it a buy? I say yes. Hell yeah. And Czech that is, ano. Sakra ano! MSRP is between $600 to $700, approximately $450 to $525 used. It's light, compact, effing reliable, looks beautiful, and it'll definitely hold its value if you ever need to get rid of it down the road. And the price ain't bad at all for what it is and what it can do, what it's proven to do. Put it this way, if a big brand invented this piece right here, like Kimber or something like that, they'd be trying to get $1,200 easily from me, you, him, her, them, they, shim, shay, blah, 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 blah. But no, Czech Armory got this piece, and they're selling it at a hell of a good price. And that's just my opinion, but you know damn well I'm right, player. One last thing I forgot to mention. I just love how the slide doesn't sit so tall. I don't know exactly how to explain that or describe it exactly, but check this out. The slide doesn't actually sit so tall coming off the lower. It just feels like I'm I can line up the shots a lot better. Easier to see my target or line up with the target. I don't know, I can't really explain that. Hopefully you know what I mean. Anyway, so if you're in the market looking for your first time piece because you want to pop your cherry and get into the Pro 2A market field, yada yada yada, you just need and craving that boom boom bang bang pow pow pew pew, I'm gonna say that this piece will be a good first time piece if you're looking to buy and it's all you can find. Cause I ain't gonna lie to you, there are other firearms that may be better than this one, but this one is up there with them. Me personally, I'm a Glock guy, but I also love the Hellcat, the Kimbermaker R70i, and several other pieces in the compact area. But after holding and messing around with this one, I now see why people like it, and this one is definitely up there. It can hold its own, it's compact, light, reliable, decent price range, ergonomic, and it looks beautiful. So first time buyers, consider this one. And for all you vets out there with a crazy packed up safe and yada yada yada, this will not hurt to add to your arsenal, to add to your collection. Anyway, that's it for this video. I am an Amazon affiliate. I got some links below. Every time you click on them and use them, it helps me and my baby boy buy ourselves a tuna sandwich or a PB&J or a gumball. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. And check out the firearms playlist, y'all. Much love. Peace.